In today's video, I will show you how to swipe on Tinder. The app completely revolutionized the modern dating world when it introduced this feature back in 2012, turning profile discovery into a fast-paced game that now processes well over 1 billion actions every single day. Understanding these basic mechanics is the key to navigating your digital card deck. When you are looking at a profile, your first option is to swipe right, which means you like the person. This safely shows your interest, and if that specific person also decides to swipe right on your profile card, the app will instantly trigger a match so you can start chatting. If you aren't feeling a connection, you simply swipe left, which translates to a nope. This quietly passes on the person and removes them from your stack, and you don't have to worry about any awkwardness because they will never be notified that you skipped them. Now, if you prefer not to physically drag the cards across your phone screen, you can easily use the interactive icons located right at the bottom of the display instead. Tapping the X button performs the exact same action as swiping left to pass on a profile. Next to that, you will see the star button, which triggers a super like. Using this premium feature sends an immediate, direct notification to the user to let them know you are highly interested, which can significantly boost your overall match potential. Finally, tapping the heart button acts exactly like swiping right, allowing you to quickly send a standard like to anyone who catches your eye. And that's it. That's how to swipe on Tinder.